The KONIX folding piano keyboard KP88 is designed for portability, featuring a foldable design that saves space and is easy to carry anywhere. This electronic keyboard includes full-size, semi-weighted keys that provide a realistic piano touch and dynamic sound variation based on pressure. With built-in Bluetooth and MIDI capabilities, this piano keyboard allows seamless connectivity to music apps and smart devices for enhanced learning and music creation. The keyboard's multifunctional features, including a wide array of tones, rhythms, and demo songs, make it suitable for both beginners and advanced players. A rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 8 hours of playtime, making it perfect for use during travel, outdoor activities, or performances without worrying about running out of power. The KONIX KP88 comes with useful accessories such as a sustain pedal, keyboard stickers, a music stand, and a piano bag, offering a complete package for learners and musicians on the go.